auto-generate retrieve function. Before we get started, I just want to say thank you for watching this video. Be sure to check out our other how-to videos from this channel. Also, subscribe and share. It will be helpful for the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how I create a function to auto-generate a retrieve function. Let's see how I accomplish this. Alright, let's go to our C drive and the Access Projects folder. Last time we did this create table property and create part 2. We're going to do part 3. Alright, so let's copy part 2. Control C, Control V, and we're going to change it to part 3. Hit enter and go in there. So let's see. So what happened here last time we did? And that would be DB access, and that would be the class object. Alright, so yeah, let's rename this guy again. This one, yeah, this one, you know what, this one I'm going to say let's name this guy appropriately. This one would be table class module. And then I'm gonna name this guy the same way, because eventually maybe this this form could be useful. And this one would be TXT, like so. And this guy would be table DB access. This will be in the module. I'll copy that, and you'll see what I mean once I get done with this. Alright, and then I'm going to make this text a little darker. And now when we go in there, this would be class, this would be DB access, and I'm going to add the actually it would be like so. And then when I want to say suggested name, this would be suggestion. File name suggestion. See what I'm getting at now? So here we have file name suggestion as DB access, like so. So if we I cannot click that. I don't know why there. What's going on with that stuff? But we can double click this guy for sure. So if we say activity, oh, so this would be that. Oops. Okay, so this one, yeah, this one, and this one is different. This one is, there you go, missing the caption. All right, so let's see what I did there. It says file name suggestion activity, and here is file name suggestion activity DB access. So you would create, this name based on the suggestion. And then you just select this guy. Oh, okay. All right. That would be that guy. That would be that guy. There. So you would copy this guy and create the module named activity DB access. So that's what, that way, yeah, that way you can just, it's a file name suggestion. All right, let's get back to our agenda. I'm gonna close that out. Let's see. Last time we did some crazy stuff, but it works, right? So we're gonna use this same function. We're just gonna call this same function, but this time it's gonna be different type. You see, we are going to do retrieve this time, like so. All right, and the retrieve is similar to this thing. All right, we need to identify the key and all that same way. Delete and retrieve is exactly the same way. All right, except there's a couple of things. Except there are a couple of things. So let's see. So I'll go ahead and copy this guy since it is the same thing essentially. I am gonna put it right there. You see, and now this is all the same way except the right here select statement right there. We want to select all, just like that. Just change that to select. All right. And the name would be exists by ID. Exists by ID. And here's the same way. Exists by ID. That's how you retrieve it. And then we're going to pass in the object. Now the object provided that this is going to be the key right here. This is the object. So we can say O think about this. We got that, and we want to add this guy, table name as table name. Let's do that. So like so. Yep. And that's what you would do. And I'll do the same thing here. And I'm just going to copy this guy all the way to there. That way I can paste it right there. And that's how you would do it for the header of the name of the function. And then on here, instead of doing the execute, we don't execute. As a matter of fact, you know what? I want to add another line. Oops, CRLF VB So instead of doing this, we don't want to do that. All right. We want to say set. Oh, hold on. Right here, I want to add another line here. Yeah. Yeah, let's add another line. BBCRL F. Alright, so we need to define another one. So to define another one, another variable, I'm going to copy this guy, paste it right there, and here we can say OS as record set. Similarly, right here, OS as record set, like so. And then here, instead of saying execute, we say set OS equals open record set, like so. And this is where we need to do some more dancing here. Yeah. So now we're gonna have to I'm gonna push this down, and then copy this guy with the line, and here I can say if you just have to know what you're typing. If record count is greater than 0, yeah, and then yeah, basically, then if you were to code it in the flat file, then you wouldn't have IntelliSense. This is what you would do. Then you would do that. And I'm going to come down here, right there, and now say this guy in if, like so. And this would be else. So this is a if then else, like so. See how that's going to work? Actually, you wouldn't even need the else. We are only interested if this guy exists, if this ID exists for this table. So yeah, you wouldn't even need this. But it's okay. We're gonna leave it right there because greater than 0. I forgot there. You see there? So if the record count is greater than 0, um, do something here. Now we're going to have to add record set here, so that way we can retrieve all the fields. Dim os as record set, and the easy way to do is to come over here and copy this top one right here. You see that? You see how we did that one right here? So we can copy this guy, then we don't have to do a lot of writing. And you know what? I think this one right here, I forgot to close the I forgot to dispose the RS, and no, so make sure you add the dispose the record set there. All right, let's go to, what was it? Right here. So here then we can do this. Once we did this, all right, we could, I'm just going to copy paste that guy in there. And then there. And in here, we say set RS equals current DB open record set S table name. You see there? And now I'm going to grab this guy, just one of them, just the name, copy, and delete the rest of them. That should be right there. All right. So now we need to retrieve all of that stuff. So if record set is record count is greater than 0, then do this. We want to say create CRUD function equals O table name, add a dot, and field name. Let's go up there and add the index. We don't have an index up here. That would be an integer. Yeah, this is what you would do a program. You just kind of sit there and stare at the code. So we got this all at equals. Oh, hold on. Equals. As a matter of fact, it's going to be like so, but it's all right. It's going to space it out for you. RS exclamation RS field name this will be index, like so. That's what you would do. That's what you would do. I think that's it. And we need to add a space in here, so I'm going to copy that. Five, and this would be not deleted but exists by ID. That would be the same name as this guy, you see. And here we same thing. We say exists by ID. So once you get one done, you basically repeating that guy. I think that's it. I think that's it. And before we leave, because I remember last time I forgot, set that to nothing. It disposed that. All right, so this guy refers to this guy. All right, well let's see, let's take a look. That would be number 2. So we're going to pass in number 2 here. Let's see how that works. Let's see if that looks right. So activity exists by ID. This is an object. Look at that. As we need to create new. If record count is greater than 0, then we need to create a new record. But this is right here. This is perfect right there. We need to add a line there. Okay. All right. So a couple things that we need to do. Good. So if record count is greater than 0, I'm going to copy this guy right here, put it right there, and we say set and this will be the table name equals equals to new table name, but this would be an O right there. And we need to add catch line here. Well, let's take a look again, because that last one looked pretty darn good. So great. So this looks good. And then set, open record set, good. Oh, you know what? I think we need to add a line, another line there. Well, this is right there. Oh, that would be 0, an O, not a 0. Okay, all right. We're getting close. Yeah, right here. An O, not a 0. Let's add another line there so it's legible. We're getting close. What else do we need to fix? We got that. We need to indent the line. That's if. That's end if. We need another line behind the end if. That looks good. Wow. Okay. Yeah. And if right here, we need another line there. That's good. That is dandy. Control S. All right. Moment of truth. We're going to copy that and let's go paste it. All right. It should not bark at us because we already have an activity here. That's an object. So let's see how, if you notice, hold on, just to explain to you. If you notice, some of these guys, see how this should recapitalize for us right here. Record set, that should recapitalize. See the new, that should be capital N there. So some of these things we could recognize. And if it's going to bark at us, give us a bug, we will know. All right. Oh, I thought we were going to add a line here. And if. Let's see. And if. Oh, didn't we add one in there? Well, let's add one. We might have added somewhere else, but okay. Oh, that was a different one right here. Okay, well, it's all right. It's all right. CLRF. All right. So here we go. Did we copy that? So let's select that. We got that and select that. Copy. Control C. Oops. Control C. And we are going to how about replace this guy? Look at this guy. That's what it should look like. That's what it should look like. Let's put this guy on top of this guy. It looks pretty darn close. Looks pretty darn close. So we send in the ID and an object, and we select this guy because it's a string, and we open it up, and we say, okay, this guy right here, look at that. It's new. It's perfect right there. Let's see if we delete that and do this. Look at that. It's still there. Good. Completed. Look at that. This is all good. It's all good. I was just saying we need to add a line there, so it looks attractive. That is quick. That is the quickest code we've done so far. All right. Okay. I'm looking at the and if I thought we had two lines. Hmm. Not sure what that is. But anyways, there you have it. That's a quick and easy one. You see how we did that? You see how we did that? So yesterday we did this portion with it, and we had to monkey a whole bunch of time here. But because we have that code bit in there already, done it for us. All right. All we had to do is just just modify it just a little bit for the for this guy. And because we had these guys right here, it makes it easier. You see there? And that's how you do it. That is just how you do it. Look at that. That one and the original one is right here. It looks exactly the same. Looks exactly the same, with the exception of the object. That is the company object, but this is an activity object. Alright, so you know what? I'm going to do customer object. Great. Bam. We got suggestion as a class, and we got suggestion as the customer DB access. I'm going to copy this guy, and so that one is delete. So some of these guys we don't need. I'm going to put it right there. Look, we got customer deleted. We got customer exists by. Look at that. I still don't get it why it does not give us the extra line there. Cause I told it to do that 3 times. Look at that. Oh, that's, yeah, right here. I said, give me an extra line right there. Oh, that is in the error handling. That's why. Duh. Okay, I know where it is. Right. That's error handling right here. That's where it should have been. No wonder. Well, you know, they say computer is real dumb. It does what you tell it to do. And I thought I told it to do. Instead, it was my bad. All right. So now we should have. So now we should have. There you go. That's better. There you have it, Mister. We are done with this one. All right. The next time we are going to do. That was the get. Yeah, that was the retrieve. We got retrieve and delete. This guy should be similar, except we're gonna reverse. This guy, not exist. Oh yeah, add new. This guy. All right. So this will be next. We're gonna do that one in maybe 9 hours or less. So it's almost 2 a.m. I need to I need to sleep. There you have it. Happy programming. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, share, and hit that bell. And also comment below, and if you need help, inbox me. Thanks again.